Welcome or welcome back to What You Wish For. If you are new here, then welcome. This is your space of reinventing yourself into your best self, into your desired self, and creating your desired reality. In today's video, we will be talking about law of assumptions, and a lot of other creators, content creators, a lot of other YouTubers and other law of attraction coaches have actually said this law of assumption is so much more powerful than law of attraction. Now, just like law of attraction, law of assumption is also always working. But before we get into that, if you are new here and you like our video and the content that we create, then please like and subscribe. If you don't know, then What You Wish For also gives out one-on-one transformational coaching, and you can find out the links to all of that coaching and courses and all of that in the description box down below. Now let's get into it. If you have already went through our videos of law of assumption 101, or everyone is you pushed out and all of that, then you will be able to understand it a bit more easily. If not, I'm still going to try my best to keep it as simple as possible. So, law of assumption simply states that whatever you assume to be true is what is going to turn or harden into a fact or turn into reality, or at least as close to it as it can get. I mean, if you're trying to change your beliefs into something which is not in harmony with the laws of the nature, then it's not going to happen, but it will happen as close to being possible as it can get. What are assumptions? Assumptions are basically our beliefs. Whatever we are assuming to be true is basically what our beliefs are. If I assume that, okay, let's take this example. How many times has something negative happened, some negative outcome has happened, and your first reaction is called it, or I knew this would happen, I knew this was too good to be true, and all of that. So this knowing that you are saying in this, that this knowing that you think that you predicted is actually not your prediction, but it is your creation. This is what you attracted in your life when you had this belief in you that things, sometimes good things are just too good to be true. So whatever your assumptions are, they are going to harden into facts. A lot of times we think that it is our intuition or we are psychic, or a lot of times that is true also. I mean, I do believe in clairvoyance and all of that stuff, but so many times it is mostly because that we had ourselves assume that it is going to happen. This is in our belief system, this is in our subconscious, this is how things work, and that is why this is going to happen, and it happens. I hope I'm making some sense here. Anyway, so as I was saying, law of assumption, just like law of attraction, is always working because you always have beliefs, right? You have beliefs and you have assumptions about how things are going to work out or how things generally work, and that's how your world works. Now let's quickly get into how to use this law of assumption for manifestation, or when you're with people, or improving your relationships, improving your situations, and all of that. Number one, when we are with people and improving a relationship with them, so many of us have assumed, especially in the corporate sector, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I think, or in any sector actually, in any place where there's competition, and that's basically everywhere, unfortunately. So anyway, whenever we get into such a place where there are a lot of other people and a lot of people doing jobs and working together and all of that, and so-called climbing the ladder, etc., etc., we think that others are just out for us and nobody is going to have our back and we shouldn't have each other's back. All of that, we assume that people are certain way, this is how things go, and then those assumptions come true, and that's what happens. Whatever your worst fears actually come true. In fact, if we use law of assumption and if we try to change our beliefs into that whichever new place that I go to, people are amazing there, people are good at heart, or my relationships with people are always positive, wholesome, and they just get better, all of those good affirmations that you can think of, good beliefs that you can think of having healthy relationships, even if you don't really have a relationship, but just as somebody you meet, as even a stranger, whoever you come across, have this assumption that people and your relationship with them and your people skills are good, and you will see how things change and how your relationships change. So if you see a new coworker, instead of thinking that this is new competition and another person you have to, ward off, then you have to change this into a new coworker. You are going to get along really well. This person is exactly the right fit for the team, and etc. Basically, every good outcome that you can think of. The same thing you can do for situations. When you think of situations and you are maybe stuck in a situation, if your assumption is that things always work out for you, things are always in your favor, universe has your back, if your assumption is that a win-win outcome is going to take place, then that is how it's going to happen. That is what exactly is going to happen. If you think that the win-win outcome is basically how it's going to be, if this is your assumption, it will harden into fact. This actually relates very closely to everyone is you pushed out, because again, whatever you're assuming about somebody or something, that is exactly what is mirrored to you in the 3D. Same goes for manifesting anything. So if you want to manifest anything at all, let's start with the techniques that you use. So if you're assuming that this technique always works, this particular technique always works, and you use it, and you just know this technique is going to work, then it is going to work, because that's your assumption, that's your belief. You are operating as if it's already true, therefore it keeps on becoming hardening into the fact, or becoming a part of your reality. So any manifestation technique that you do, you have to have the belief that it's going to work, only then it will work. Number 2, when you manifest anything, unlike law of attraction, which states that your focus and your thoughts and emotions and your vibrations are what you're going to attract, because that is also true, but law of assumption is basically easier. It's simple that you attract who you are. So if you raise your vibrations according to law of attraction, you are becoming who you want to be. So while using law of assumption, you just have to assume that it's done, and it is going to be done. That's it. Only if it were that easy. But all you have to do is understand that your beliefs and the changes that you want are going to be internal first. So you have to work on the internal things first, like your beliefs and assumptions, right? So once you work on that, everything will fall into place. So once you work on yourself as being the version of you who has what you want. So if you are living your life as if you already have what you want, if you're in the high vibrations and being grateful as if you already have everything that you want, that is it. All the things will be attracted to you. Now, how will all the things be attracted to us and all of that? Okay, so let's make it easier. If you have gone through our videos on law of attraction, whatever, and quantum jumping, you will know about parallel realities. So many versions of realities that already exist. So these many realities already exist, like these many, infinite basically. So now there is a version of you right now who has everything that you want, who is basically living the life that you want to live. You know it is there, right? All you have to do is now embody that person. Be the person who you will be in that reality, and who you are in that reality. You have to embody the vibrations and everything, the beliefs and the assumptions, the hardwiring which you have in your brain, those things, the wiring in your brain, the beliefs that you have, those are the things you have to work on, and everything else will follow. I really hope that helped. So that was it for today's video. Basically, law of assumption is your assumptions are going to come true. So basically, whatever your beliefs are, that's how things are going to work. So how to make it happen? All you have to do is work on your beliefs. Be the person, be the version you will be when you have what you want. So you have to basically act as if, and you have to be as if, not just act. And that is how you change your entire world. So that was it. Thank you for tuning in, and we really hope this helped. If you like the video, then thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.